Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Steam Family Invite error. Here's how to fix a Steam Family Invite error. First, enable Steam Family Beta and ensure both accounts share the same store country. In Steam Settings, under Interface, Client Beta Participation, select Steam Family Beta if available, then restart Steam. If the browser hasn't purchased recently, buy something inexpensive to lock in the region. Second, Steam may not recognize you live together without shared PC history. Log into the browser's account on your primary computer, wait a few minutes or launch the game, then switch back to the lender's account. Cancel any previous invite and resend it. Finally, if an invite has been pending over 15 minutes, revoke it, wait 10 to 15 minutes, and send a fresh one. Using the same Wi Fi or IP during setup, while not required, can help Steam detect proximity and increase the chance of a successful link. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.